Forget bone broth. If you're over 50 and worried about losing muscle, there's something much more powerful. You can hit the gym every day and eat piles of protein, but if you're not fueling your body with the right collagen-rich foods, your muscles won't fully respond. This is the hidden reason why so many older adults struggle with weakness and sarcopenia, even when they do everything right. Most advice says protein and weights are the key. Yes, those help. But the real secret is collagen. And here's a shocker. Powders and supplements don't always give you the full benefit because they lack the natural gelatin and nutrients found in real food. And bone broth? Sorry, it just doesn't deliver enough collagen to make a difference. 1 cup has only a fraction of what seniors truly need. To actually build muscle, older adults require around 15 grams of collagen per day, and you'd need gallons of bone broth to hit that target. That's why today, I'll reveal 2 food sources that pack up to 8 times more collagen than bone broth. First, I'll share the runner-up because it's easier to find, and then I'll reveal the #1 best food that most people overlook. I'll also uncover 3 foods you should never combine with collagen if you want real results. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Let's get started. #1. Fish skin soup. This one is a powerhouse. A single cup of fish skin soup can deliver 12 to 15 grams of collagen. Far more than standard bone broth. Even better, marine collagen is absorbed faster, making it especially effective for older adults fighting muscle loss. Collagen strengthens muscle fibers, tendons, and connective tissues, while the natural omega-3 fats in fish skin calm inflammation. That means faster recovery after exercise, less soreness, and stronger muscles over time. In fact, researchers in Japan followed seniors who added fish skin broth to their diet. After 6 months, they gained an average of 3 pounds of lean muscle compared to less than 1 pound in the control group. Making it at home is simple. Simmer salmon or cod skins with ginger and a little sea salt until it thickens. You can sip it warm, stir it into scrambled eggs at breakfast, or use it as the base of a light soup at lunch. But while fish skin soup is fantastic, it works even better when paired with one other collagen source. #2. Chicken feet stock. Yes, it sounds unusual, but this traditional food is loaded with type 1 and type 2 collagen, the exact kinds your body uses to repair muscles and protect joints. 1 cup contains 15 to 18 grams of collagen, plus natural compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin, which are often sold as expensive supplements. For seniors, that means less joint pain, faster recovery, and more strength. A study in South Korea found that older adults who added chicken feet broth 3 times a week improved their leg strength by nearly 30% in just 4 months. To make it, simmer clean chicken feet with onions and herbs until the broth gels. That jelly texture is the collagen your muscles crave. And here's the real secret. Combining fish collagen and chicken collagen gives your body a full spectrum of amino acids. The marine collagen is absorbed quickly for fast repair, while the chicken collagen offers long-lasting structural support. Together, they rebuild muscle from the inside out. So here's the big takeaway. Forget the old advice about bone broth. If you want to fight sarcopenia, rebuild strength, and stay independent after 60, focus on fish skin soup and chicken feet broth, and avoid those 3 collagen-blocking foods. Have you ever tried either of these before? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.